Okay. So I think we're good, but this time I want to test my own audio again. So I think we're good, but this time I want to test my own audio again. Yeah. So I think we're good, but this time I want to let's use this to make like a beat. Okay. But just to make like a beat. Dang it. Okay. Here we go. Ba 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 bum 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 bum. 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 Ba 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 bum. Anyway, figures. Stupid YouTube. So yeah, I've been playing around with more C stuff as well last night before I went to bed. Doing some OpenGL, trying to learn how OpenGL works. Test. And yeah, so the reason I wanted to do this because like I was planning on getting back into the AI thing as well. Anyway, and I've been working on learning how ASM works. And since I can't code, like what am I talking about? So, okay, since I can't like read walls of text, I know, right, Biz? Also, hi, Biz. How you doing? Since I can't like, since I have a hard time like reading like instructions and everything from like walls of text, it's actually a lot easier for me to read code. So I've been learning, like, I've been kind of writing how they should work, and yeah, I've actually been learning quite a bit, like some bitwise operations, like hold on, which ones have bit again? Can't remember. Anyway, shift. Here we go. So this weirdness here, I found out you can actually use this to shift bits left or right. And you can use the little. Should we rotate probably? Rotate has the bit. Anyways, you can use this little symbol here as well. Yeah, it's really cool. Yeah, we're gonna start on the map editor this time. Are you serious? Hold on. Why is it doing that, dude? It's not doing that on mine. Hold on. Okay, test. Okay, test. Yeah, I think the video thing is doubling for you guys because it's like it's not. Okay, test. No, no, no. It might not just be you though because it was doing it yesterday with errorless as well. Nat, is the audio doubling for you? Maybe you have like two tabs open, I guess, probably by accident. Or like maybe the videos, maybe like the video's playing twice. Biz, try refreshing and see if it helps. Cause that's some top level quality jank, dude. Might make me want to go back to Twitch. Okay, this is way too zoomed in. NPM start. Oh yeah. Okay. So did that fix it, Viz, or is it still like doubling? Well, hopefully it's try on it. Is this the only tab that you have open? Try pausing the video and seeing if you can still hear me somewhere else. And if that's the case, I think what YouTube is doing is it's embedding like two versions of the same video for some people for some reason. And one of the videos is just like probably behind the one player. I know how we can debug this. Uh, that's right. I seen that you were playing Halo Infinite. So one of the ways we can debug that, after you're done with Halo, if you want, like in the web page, if you want, we can see if it's like doubling by holding Control Shift I, and then clicking like the little arrow thing here, and then the video, and then see if there's like, just delete this video and then see. Oh, okay. Phew. I'm just glad it's not something on my end, like, because it was doing the same thing for Airless yesterday. I think it was yesterday. Anyway. I'm crystal clear, you say. When God in Leviosa. Yes. Do you talk to all of your hookers this way? Alright, anyway, moving on. Yeah, I want this to only apply to the allies that are inside of the ally. Why the hooker? Okay, so we have an issue here, like where the list is going to be. Oh yeah. We downloaded a font as well. Okay, now it's all starting to come back to me like a boomerang. All right, boomerang. It's all coming back to me. I heard it wasn't. You heard wrong. Also, what's your source? These nuts. Your mom, huh? Where the F is that font we downloaded, dude? Okay, one way to find it. CD downloads. Oh yeah, so by the way, I might do a tutorial on modding your Switch and extracting your games, because what I ended up doing was I ended up making like a little bootleg server out of the Raspberry Pi. That's like gonna hold my Switch games, because oh my gosh, is it annoying. So like if you want to play a Switch game on your PC, well, one, you could forget about pirating it because you're not gonna find the game anywhere. I quote unquote pirating, even though you already own it. So you do have to like extract. Yeah, I know. Oh, believe me, I know. Oh, is it Nat? It was a pain in the groin like you never thought before. Like, one, you have to order like this special like switch thing so you can short out the pins, and it's so annoying. Nintendo wants to know your location, your front door, Nintendo. But yeah, true, map editor. But yeah, I need to do a tutorial on it because, oh, it's annoying. Okay. LS will do grep uh, font. Wait, what am I doing? We can just check this way. Not that way. Okay. J downloads. That was it, right? Yeah. Oh, thanks. That's cool. I'm gonna download it from my own PC. That's good to know. Okay, here it is. Icon something. I think that's it. Unzip. Icon. output to run media projects YouTube game engine CSS. No, resources. What? There, what the heck? That was weird. Bots. I'm about to smack. Okay, you know what? CP. And we're gonna CD into this directory. Yeah. Unzip icon. The reason I had to do it though is because like I'm too lazy to set this up. So like if I right click right in here, it's like, oh, I can't find default, and it does the same thing with like a zip. And I'm too lazy to like fix it. Wait, for real? How? I literally changed nothing. What is happening with my computer, dude? Not. Maybe it's Nintendo trying to silence me. Okay. Um. Get rid of the zip now. There. Broken to your audio because you said the word piracy. Airless, what up? Welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay. Am I still quiet, Nat? Dude, the levels of jank that be going down right now. You always do. Aw, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Okay, so now we're gonna make the second fancy. Yeah, let's call it fancy font. What was the fantasy option there? That was interesting. Is there like a default? That's an interesting name. And now we're gonna do. Ooh, I like it. And let's shrink the size though. Font size. Let's do 0.895, whatever, something like weird. A little bit smaller. Yeah, there we go. Alright, so now the cursor will be default. So fancy. I agree. And now we're gonna do the hover effects. So, hover, and this is gonna be background var bg select hover color var bg select fg select where's our bars? That back in the middle so we can see everything. See you. I'm gonna hide over there. Okay. Oh yeah. Clean it up a little bit with Orbit. Okay. 100 monospace. Should we get monospace for that? Let's see fancy font real quick. I'm curious about. Well, never mind. Apparently, font header's not in use. Uh, okay, excellent. So now this is gonna have to be light 3, like default, and then light 2. Oh yeah, that's starting to look real good. Minus the greenness. So for the BG part, let's do dark. Uh, okay, let's have it like dark 2 by default, and then dark 1 alpha um upon hover, or just dark 1 entirely. All right, so let's do dark 2 alpha. Okay. I hope you enjoy the ice cream. That cream of ice. Oh, that's looking good, dude. But okay. Yeah, position's gonna be absolute for that. Okay, and then the sidebar, we want to have an overflow of automobile. And there, that way we can do stuff like that. Okay. Um. Now I also want to modify the input here so that it's the circumference of an orange. Frozen brain. I agree though. I do agree with that. Frozen brain. How can I? Okay, hold on. I need to examine this. Oh, I guess it's right here. Okay, so we got the UL, we got the LI here. Got the UL for the LI, but they're not nesting like they should. There should be other. So, well, I guess it is. Interesting, but it's not. Okay, I see what's going on. All right. UI dot drop down. Yeah, LIUL, LIUL. Do it like that. Display, block, position, relative, margin, var, ed standard. Ready? Alright, so where is this stupid class standard? Display none, position absolute. Why are you displaying none, position absolute? Okay, Is it because of the... Huh? This is how it should be right here. Hmm. Why? Okay, L-I-U-L. Yeah, dude. What is happening and why? It's ignoring all that. Interesting. Um, huh. Okay, so yeah, that part works. So something else was somehow overriding it. That's interesting. Anyway, either way, we got it now. That's strange, though. Okay, so I'm gonna change the max height for this to... Gonna create a loop for spawning random lootable in a room. It changes every time, sometimes. That's awesome, actually. Max height should be, what, 320 pixels? Yeah, why not? Exquisite moi. Oh, yeah, yeah. And then overflow, auto. There you go. Set that important. Set that. There we go. Okay. So now I'm gonna steal a little bit of styling that I made for V's. Project, no, not recordings. Projects, work, V's, anim editor, app, CSS. Should be in main. I don't remember where I put it. It wasn't in bars. Has to be in one of these. That one. Maybe it's in one of the modules CSS. No. So it'd be libs that I run here, and then what would it be? Where the heck did I put it? Maybe Hawk IMG. No, I know it was one of these that had the CSS file that I wrote for the. Maybe this one. No, if this says bars and UI. Yeah, it's... Dude, I know it's here somewhere. Is it in world plane? Son of a hooker, dude. I'll find it eventually. Is it in a... Might be. Nope. Manager or the data. Where else would it be? Snippets. Yeah. Did I pass it up? You know what? Fine. Screw it. Let's just save some time here. Chrome, CSS, custom, scroll bar. We'll just use this as a boilerplate. Let's like do a 5x5 here. Background for the track will be var bg scroll bar track, and this will be bg scroll bar thumb, and this will be bg thumb. Okay, now onto our variables here. Scroll bars. Wait, why didn't it do the automatic bar that time? Okay, so now our scroll bar should look a lot better. Or completely invisible, I guess that works too. There we go. Yeah, I like that. We'll stick with that. Now, we need to be able to apply these images here. So what we're gonna do. Yeah, so this stream might be like a little bit longer because I'm a little bit more awake. Alright, so yeah, so here's the drop down. I will get more done. It's gonna be fun. And any trolls that come in, I'm pretty sure my homies take care of the okay, how do I want to approach this stuff? So in the tile selector here, yeah, we have the drop down, and then we have the actual tile list. Right? So yeah, create tile set list. So we're gonna create tile set and we get create tile selector. So we're gonna need to use a canvas. This dot so tile map equals tile cell equals document.create elements canvas. It's that tile cell dot style. Wait, no, yeah. Dot width equals this equals this dot container dot get bounding client rect, not rectum. Stop. And then this dot yeah, container dot append. Hold on. Yeah, no, we need to have a div first. Otherwise it won't. This dot tile cell container equals document create element div. See, I wouldn't have caught that if I was so tired. Welcome back, Natty McNatster. We got fancy scroll bars. Wait, seriously? No. Airless, is my audio changing for you? Because my audio bar shows that it's fine. Hold on, let me add a compressor. Hold on, easy effects. Input. Okay, I already do have a compressor on. Side chain, whatever that is this better here? Or is this worse? Might be worse. Wait, is it seriously? Envelope is negative. Okay, so if I turn this up more. Okay, this should be good, right? It doesn't look like it's clipping. Okay, so that's good. Let me adjust my noise remover as well. Well, no, the noise is good. We don't need to worry about that. All right. Hashtag audio issues, right? Me and Craig stream without audio. You're not wrong. You are not wrong, and that's sad, but it's true. Okay, so our canvas should be here still. It's not. It's just not gonna be shaker. Yeah, because that is okay. All right, so we're making some progress. Oh yeah, it's gonna be dope, Nat. It is gonna be swag. Okay. Style equals width 100% important. Height 100% important. Because we want the container for the canvas here. However, we also need to add the so we got the tile selector here, and then we have our map selector, right? Where's our map selector? Yeah, new map selector. So I just need to make this thing have a temporary height to it. Actually, we can do that right here. Map selector. I... yeah, so we'll do maps. Yeah, container main.map selector. And then we'll say min height, say 320 pixels like we did before. Okay, that's too high. Well, okay, let's say the minimum height is gonna have to be a percentage of the height. So let's say 16 BH. Yeah, so that's just a minimum height. It can actually get taller than that. Okay, so where the canvas stuff is, I had it painted like dark temporarily, so that we can actually see like where the doohickey thingy-majig is doing its thing. So now we do that, and we have our canvas stuff. Now we're going to be able to render everything that we need here. So upon clicking, once we click the clicker, we yell at the lamp licker. Stop. Not bind. This. So now we should be able to access this dot variables like that. So now, when we click, let's just see if it's working. This dot parent. And this needs to also be dot bind this. No, apparently not. No, it's call, not bind. Yeah, dude, the heat's insane for real. Huh? Why are these not having a hover or scroll effect now? Eh? Okay. Let's do it, modify it this way, and then... And then we just do chord up here instead. What is happening with that? Oh, no. Okay, yeah. So it was working. So what's going on is the Z index of this. So we need to see. Z index. We'll do 500 for that. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, it is working. Good. Excellent. So basically, Nat, because I'm going with a modular approach, whenever I like, if we go to, we have our like main thing here, we have our modules, and then we have the map editor. Because I'm doing like a modular approach, all I would have to do is basically delete everything that's not the map editor, and then like do some small tiny changes to it. Let's give this a box shadow as well. SH box default. Yeah, let's give it some rounded corners. Round, wait, border, radius, bar, BD. eyeballs radius. No. This title here is gonna change. Yeah, that's gonna be changing like based on our project and stuff like that as well. Holy F, that is way, way too grounded. Why is that like that? Oh yeah, because I was testing it before when it didn't want to work right. So here we go. We'll do RED standard. Yeah, there we go. Why is it still like clipping out of that? It's annoying. Oh, yeah, no, I know why it's doing that. Okay. And I guess we don't need the min height then. Or the max height. Yeah. Yeah, it looks better without it. Alright. So this is how we're gonna select our tiles. And once you click it, it will do this. This dot render. Yo, what up? Welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay. I cannot understand your name, but hello. Thank you for joining. Okay. Now we can do the render function, right? Yeah. So render, rebder, img. This dot current render equals img. Nah, we don't need that. So let's do this dot t cell. Okay, yeah. Const ctx equals You like this engine? Thank you. It likes you. It says you're cool. And thanks for joining. This dot tile cell dot get context. Hey, how you doing, Dreamer? How you doing, Dreamer? What am I doing? Oh, yeah, duh. Yeah, so then we'll do ctx dot draw image, img. Just for now, let's just see how it looks. Okay, so yeah, there we go. We have that, but as you can see, like stuff will start stacking. So what we need to do is configure it so that we can do like a custom grid size, right? So for now, just temporarily, I know it's going to be 16 by 16, so I'm actually gonna do a 16 by 16 setup here. Loop. Okay, yeah, so we'll do this function render loop request animation frame render loop. And then we'll say at the end of all this looper equals render loop dot bind this. I don't think that's gonna call it immediately. Let's do a happy face in the comments. Yeah, so like kind of like how RPG Maker has the tile set over here. that you can like select from and stuff. Okay, so yeah, it's not spamming console log. That's good. All right, so now we just need to do request animation frame this dot looper. So now, here we go. We got our happy face, and the render loop is working. Okay, so now we should be able to do this dot render this dot img. So we'll say this dot img equals img. Yeah. If not img, return. So if there's no image, it's going to return and not render. What are you talking about? It's not render, it's not a function. Huh? Why? Oh my gosh, dude. Except it is. You talk. Oh yeah, no, that's the milliseconds for when you want to do a. Oh, that's interesting. So I guess we'll just do it this way then. There we go. Undefined properties of reading bad loops. What are you talking about? Huh? Uh, what is happening? Okay. Fine. Fine. Heck with that. We'll just do this. This dot loop equals set interval. Oh yeah, I can do that as well. Show it animated and fancy. Out of curiosity, what about auto tiles? Mainly water, since yeah, no, I can do that. Usually, not background image, whereas water has to be animated. Yeah, no, trouble. Speaking of water, we can even do shaders. Snakes. But no, we're not gonna. I don't want to like overcomplicate it for you, but yeah, dude, we can make some smexy water if that's what you want. I can guarantee that'd be actually my specialty right there, dude. Like I played around with shaders so much. Uh, it is. It is. I really do. I like the Q map editor. It's really neat. It's not render. It's not IMG. Then again, we don't need to render it every second either. Yeah, okay, yeah. We only need to render on the item select. Yeah, so we'll just do this dot render. Alright. So we just need to do that, and then the event listener on the container. So we'll do this gilid what container add event listener mouse move and then this dot render. Now, there we go. So I also need to make it so that when the menu is clicked, it hides. Neo, what up? Welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay. How do I... Okay, so why does it work there? Okay, now it's working? What? It wasn't closing before. Oh, because it was taking a while to load. Yeah, okay. I see what's going on. Alright. So in the render then, we need to do... this, and we need to repeat this here. Yeah. Canvas.width equals width. Canvas.height equals height. That's going to clear the canvas so that we don't have the overlaying tiles when we switch. Yeah. Oddly enough, it does create like a weirdness for when we try to render that. But anyways, so now we're going to get a little advanced with it. We have a grid. So we're going to do grid, and then we'll say 16 by 16 because that's what the default is. You're making videos now? Dope. What kind of videos are you making? Cool stuff. Thanks, Juan. Appreciate that. Matter of fact, the tile selector thing should probably make its own thing before it gets too big, because that's going to be like a very large chunk. So we're going to make another module. This is going to be in the sidebar. It's going to have... You want Craig? I can send you screenshots. Yeah, that'll work. Thank you, Nat. I'm playing Pokemon Legends Arceus at the moment. Dude, Legends Arceus is really addicting. I'm not gonna lie. Especially when you catch Lopunny. Stop, we're not doing that. Yeah, we'll just call it tile cell canvas. Such as T cell canvas. Yeah, and then we'll have the let's copy and paste these functions here. Should be tile selector. Now we can just yeah. Well, yeah, we can just keep the name like this. It's fine. Instead of T cell though. Yeah, so I'm gonna rename all the tile cell things to oops. Oh, oh, there we go. Rename that to canvas. Canvas CTX. We're gonna rename it to just CTX. I'm gonna bring over here. Like that. Okay. Over tile selector, we have this thing. So oh yeah, Lilith. Yeah. Okay, so we can get rid of all this stuff here now. And the render. So we don't need that. This dot. T cell. We'll just call it T cell equals new. Oops. T cell canvas. This dot container. Yeah, and then now should just be able to. Yeah, T-cell canvas there. Sure it's named properly. Okay, now there shouldn't be any difference, except there is. Why? Find. Oh, yeah. Translator. Initialize. Line 65. Oh, yeah. That's gonna have to be here. Okay, so yeah, there shouldn't be much of a difference except this dot render needs to call this dot T cell. This dot T cell dot ing equals ing. So then we'll pass the image rendering thing here. So. Now we should have it separated as a module, except it's not. Yeah. Oh, yeah. This needs to be a part of the tile selector thing. So, this container of child, this dot canvas. Think? Something like that. What the hooker? Hello. Oh, yeah. No. This dot container dot child. This dot canvas container. There we go. Or not. What's happening? Okay. Yeah, we got our style thing here. So here it is. Oh. You know what? Let's fix this entirely, so we don't need to do it that way. Was it? Yeah. Why? Why is it 0 height, dude? All right, that's really obnoxious. That's some jankery, dude. I need to figure out. Okay. I'm gonna figure that out later though, because I don't want to spend too much time on that. And bore everyone. Okay. So yeah, this should work then. Wait. Why is it so strange? Anyway. Yeah, besides the jankery. You also learning the guitar? Dope. Dude, I've been playing guitar a little bit. It's a lot of fun. Hold on, let me be right back. Should be the. Oh, I missed the stupid thing. Yeah, it's a lot of fun though playing guitar. And yeah, it's a good idea to get a hobby as well. Yeah, besides these games. And that eventually turned into more? Heck yeah. Hey, do you know this one? Hold on. Dang it, messed it up. Oh, that's good. It's a little lower than that, but still learning strings and fingers. Dude, it took so long for the fingers to stop hurting, man. Didn't it? Okay, so let's see. Dang it. Oh, dude, I'm trying to learn this one, but it's literally the hardest thing on the planet because like your fingers have to go crooked. Yeah, it's really hard to do because like your fingers have to go like this weird way that they should not be bending. Let's see. I guess I'll do one more string thing here and then. Dang it. Ah, I messed it up. Okay. Dang it. This is a really hard one to hit here, because like your fingers got to be so close together, but like you always fat finger it. So yeah, let me go sub as well. Also, anyone watching the bot, I recommend going to sub as well, because yeah, Neo's a really cool dude. Yeah, Jit. Yeah. I was hoping not to get calluses, and thankfully I didn't. Not that I matter, like not that I mind calluses, but. Pallet Town? Ooh, that's a good one. See if I can wing it. Oh, that's hard. Dang. I'm double one down to Georgia. Reminded a banner and a new PFP. Started on my description. Gotcha. Yeah, that's let's go check that out actually. Oh yeah, yeah, that's dope, dude. So is that. Also, that's kind of adorable. I'm now shipping you two. Alright. But I'm just I'm a sucker for romance stuff anyways, so I'm like, yeah. Let's see, before I put the guitar down, there was something else that I knew. My brain. Okay. Oh yeah, yeah, there it was, yeah. It's from Pokemon, oddly enough. Oh. Yeah, there it is. Okay. Dang it. And then it goes something like. It's hard, dude. Do it this way. Yeah. That's hard. Anyways, it was my brother. Okay. So getting back to it. Yeah, Neo, you should do guitar videos. I would love to like listen to them and stuff. So in the render thing, you know I needed that tiny break actually. So in the render thing, we're gonna do. So we can do const x equals e dot layer x, const y equals e dot layer y, console dot log x y. Why? What? Okay, E is not defined. What are you talking about? If not, or not E. Oh, yeah. There we go. Isn't life so much more? Oh, no. Okay, so we got our X positions. I do const. Okay, var x equals match dot round x divided by grid 0 this dot grid. This dot parent dot grid 0 times, okay, yes, let's just do w width, yeah, equals parent dot grid 0, and then height is going to be 1. X divided by width times width, and what that's going to do is going to snap to the grid height. Which isn't going to do anything for us right now because, I mean, after we select something, it wasn't jank a minute ago. Okay, we'll do it this way. This dot cursor equals x e dot layer x, y e dot layer y. Okay, yeah, and then we can just do that. And then, yeah. And then we can do var x, y equals this dot cursor or x 0, y 0. Let's just define it. Let's not be lazy about it. Cursor equals 0, y 0. X equals mapping around x, and then y. That's height. Okay. Now we should be able to do stroke style equals. Yeah, and then well, let's make it like somewhat transparent. CTX.line width equals to CTX.fill rect width. No, stroke rect, not width. Fill. All right, so this should draw the cursor. Nani? What are you talking about? This dot parent dot grid. Oh, yeah, no, that's not gonna work. Okay, so we just need to pass the grid then. Grid to here instead. Grid equals 0, 16, 16. That's a credit text file. That shouldn't be showing up at all. Alright, so there we go. It got like a little thing. Like a little box. Are they sure this is 16 by 16? Yeah, I guess so. But it's off. Even though this is the top. So it must not be. Is it in the name? Yeah, there we go. See? Now, we need to offset it though. And how we're going to do that is we're going to do in the layer X and Y, we're going to say minus and then this dot grid 0 divided by 2, but put that in one, like in the parentheses thing. So now that should center it so that the mouse pointer, like the middle of it there is, yeah, and it should still be in the exact same positions. Stone ground. Yeah, see, these are like 32 by 32 here. But yeah. So that's what's going to allow us to select the doohickey thingy-majigs. Let me go to... I need to structure the naming better as well. Where was the outside thing? Player? What? It's not player. It's plant. But yeah, and instead of like just drawing the entire image, like we need to splice it up a little bit. Tell you what, we're going to take a small break, and then I'll get back to streaming here in a bit. Actually, hold on. Yeah, no, we're gonna take a small break. All right, we'll be back.